YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with Pentair's Creepy Crawly Little Rebel. This is a suction side pool cleaner meant for above ground pools. We're gonna tear into this and show you guys how to do some quick fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have some quick fix videos for you on Pentair's Creepy Crawly Little Rebel above ground suction side pool cleaner. So as you guys can see, the top shroud's already torn off on this as well as the turbine cover or the swivel assembly. If you guys want to make sure how to do that, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We got a playlist on tearing this cleaner apart from the outside in. For today's quick fix, we want to actually show you guys how to take off and replace the rubber tires that go all over each one of the wheels. So as you guys know, it's a two-wheel cleaner. So typically when you're going to replace one rubber wheel, you're going to want to replace the other. It just helps the cleaner run in tandem and you're not wearing on one side or the other. So when you do purchase one, make sure you guys get the second wheel because they are important. As you guys can tell with these wheels, they do have a small hump on different portions. They don't need to be lined up by any means. The point of these humps is that generally as it's driving around the surface of your pool, as it wants to change directions or potentially have, you know, a drain or some other kind of cover on the pool, these little humps help. As the cleaner comes around in its rotation, it'll hit the hump, which potentially lifts the cleaner up to help it get over whatever obstacle may be in the way. They do have different versions of these humps similar to some of the other manufacturers, but typically with these cleaners, it's just a standard size little small finger hump that'll just make sure that as the cleaner spins and moves along, it'll actually just lift up to go over whatever obstacle might be in the way. So to change these tires out, it's really simple. I like to put the cleaner up on its side like this, just because it's easier to work with. Obviously when you're dealing with any of these things, you want to make sure that you're away from the pool. Try not to just do this right on the deck. Sometimes other things may break or screws may come loose and things can fall in the pool. You don't want to take the risk of all those things dropping in and having to fish them out. So get to a level surface as I do here with the desk. It's much easier, some kind of table, and set it up on one wheel, and then you simply are just going to grab the inner part of the rubber tire from the main portion of the cleaner here and then just peel it towards you. Very similar like you do with your bike tire, your bike tube. It's just going to peel out, and then to put it back in, just like you do with a typical tire, you're going to choose one side and just kind of pull and work it around the actual hub of the tire to make sure that it sits on there properly. They do have little niches on the actual tire here that you want to make sure you get the lips over in order for it to grab the tire correctly. So you guys can see on the inside, you want the tire to kind of go over that lip to make sure that it's grabbing the entire wheel so you don't just have this thing fall off when it goes in rotation. So as you guys can see, pretty easy to swap out. You're going to peel the old one off, you're going to put your new one on, and then you're going to simply flip the cleaner over and do the same thing for the other side. So that way that these tires stay nice and gripped for you to make sure that it can clean and not sit there and spin on the surface of your pool. So make sure you guys check out all the links in the description. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got a ton more videos coming your way. I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.